NJ Travelites, welcome to our YouTube channel again. Today I'm excited to share some fantastic news about your traveling to Thailand. As of January 1st, 2025, Thailand has launched its official electronic visa system or eVISA. This means you no longer have to visit the Thai embassy or consulate to be able to process your visa. Now you can do it completely online. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like, drop a comment, share this video to anybody that you feel like is going to be beneficial to. At Njetours, we are always dropping tips, tricks about travel that you need to know. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to apply for your Thailand eVISA on the Thailand eVISA official website. Join us as we take you through this step-by-step process or tutorial on how to do your Thailand eVISA by yourself. So first you want to do is click on the link that takes you to the official website of Thailand electronic visa. That is www.thaivisa.go.th/. So you click on it and it takes you to their official website. So they say, attention, eVISA applicants are no longer required to submit passports and supporting documents in person at the Royal Thai Embassy Consulate General. It is important to note that you are only able to apply if you are currently not in Thailand. After the eVISA application has been approved, a confirmation email will be sent to applicants, which can be printed out for presenting to airlines and Thai immigration officials while traveling to Thailand. They're going to acknowledge this and we're going to get started. So this is the eVISA official website. So we're basically going to follow this process on how to apply online. Okay, so we're going to click on create an account. So in this place, we're going to create an individual account for yourself. So we're going to start with our first name. Please ensure that you fill in the right information in this place. So remember that your password must contain at least 8 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. Once you have met the requirements for the password, you click on agree to our terms and policies and enter the code that you see on your screen. And then you click create an account. Okay, so once you are logged in, you would see your dashboard where you can now apply for a new visa in the Thai eVISA official website. So you click on apply for a new visa. So when you click on it, you have the first step is to check your eligibility. So you click on your country territory of passports. So we're just going to click on Nigeria. And then we're going to click on our current location is also Nigeria. So you can see that it brought out the embassy, the Thai embassy that is in Nigeria. That is the Royal Thai Embassy in Abuja. So we're going to, for the purpose of our visit, our travel document type is ordinary passport slash travel document. And then another option came out, which is the visa type. The visa type is the tourist visa. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the tourist visa. So more options have popped up. The purpose of our visit is tourism and leisure activities. There are other options here, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the tourism and leisure activities. So the number of entries is going to be single. It's going to be single. Then click on next. So this is the applicant information where you'll be uploading your biodata page of passports. That is your data page, your passport photograph, and also you will fill in your personal information. So we're just going to upload, we're going to drag and drop. You can drag and drop the file or you can just browse it from your laptop. Oh. So we have uploaded our passport photograph and also our data page. So we're going to proceed to fill in our personal information. So we're going to put Mr. and our sex is male. So our first name, and our email. So we're going to click on our nationality, which is Nigeria, and also our nationality from birth, which is also Nigeria. Our place of birth will be Nigeria as well, and then our city of birth will be Ibadan. Date of birth will be 1997, December 10th, single. So the type of travel document will be our passports, and then we are going to put the travel document number, which is your passport number. So the place of issue, it's an information that is on your passport, so you can check. So the place of issue is Ibadan, and the date of issue is 2019 May 10th, and the date of expiry is 2029 May 10th. So we're going to put our home address. So make sure you put your permanent address as your current address. So we're going to click on fill in our occupation. So in this particular place, we are going to be filling in our travel information. And the information says that the applicant should not apply for visa more than 3 months before the date of intended arrival. Our intended date of arrival will be, so we're going to be traveling to Thailand for the Valentine's Day. So we're going to go on February 13th. And so the port of arrival will be the international airports, and the type of flights will be scheduled commercial. So our flight number, so you have to fill in the accommodation in Thailand. So once you are done filling in your travel information and your accommodation information in Thailand, you click on next. So in this place, you're going to be imputing your supporting documents. The first document is your biodata, which you have already filled in, your photograph taken within the last 6 months, which is your passport photograph, a police clearance certificate from the country of residence, or clearance certificate issued by the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency and NDLEA certificate in Nigeria. Document indicating current location, travel booking confirmation, proof of accommodation in Thailand, accommodation bookings, invitation letters from friends and family in Thailand. So once you have uploaded your travel data page, your passport photograph, a police clearance certificate from your country or a clearance certificate issued by the NDLEA in your country, in our case in Nigeria, a document indicating current location, which can be your bank statement, utility bill, and a travel booking confirmation and proof of accommodation in Thailand, your accommodation bookings or invitation letters from friends and family in Thailand, you click on done. So we are to confirm the application. So after you have accepted and confirmed, you'll be taken to this page, and they said that the application pending payment will be removed from this system after 14 days. After having completed the online payment process, the applicant should receive a confirmation email together with an e-receipt. This process should take approximately 15 minutes. Alternatively, the applicant can download the e-receipt on eVISA account, which will also be available once the payment is successful and processed. So we're going to now proceed to payment. Okay, so as you can see here, the total application fee for the Thailand e-visa is 65,000 naira. So once you have gotten to this point, you click on pay now, and remember that the payment is non-refundable. So once you click on pay now, you're going to see this order summary. This order summary is for the order request of an e-visa, and you will now pay with an international card. You click put your card number, your cardholder details, your expiry date, your security code, and you make your payment.
So we've come to the end of the video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel updates and personalized tour packages. Bye.